Karabaga tang empowerment structurally ne organized ne what the structure or they are just going eline ngento bakorigerie musangirekano wo committee abantu elinde babangaine babatebe because of the 2027 Elin siyasa gendera that this guys are continuing just kweralia gutangasira abantu. There is no empowerment. Empowerment yani chibese chimogo etia yani mwamanya kutaka kuchanga individually. What empowerment is that? Mwamanya koleta se chi kanisa mwaba bishop mwaba devono lete liogi. You see, that is not empowering the poor people. Ko empower kanisa the kanisa elinecha chibesa the mutakanu olio kalensa alio romo SDA kwa mu Catholic mu SDA na chanyo kwa ilo mu SDA mu Catholic era na chanyo
kosa bande chikanisa
kose chikanisa chinde rutre. So that is where we go wrong. If the president knows na wati chibesa chiricho kwemba wabantu tigebo muswada chibesa chinga kichigo turimboka paka chikira bantaba. That is a system.
A system
yes. Ayekare boli na ki chi country nchiro chi nena chi superpower. In fact, ngakichegeto. China, India rombango ya develop baka bono igabono India koros chiga ali they go import from anywhere. Eta tankoro legali go ngata. India India rarely imports vehicles from outside.
We are